Welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the 100 dresses, part 2. In our previous session, we came to know that in her letter, Wanda Petronsky said that the girls in room number 13 can have the designs of those 100 dresses. And she particularly said Peggy can have that green dress design and Maddie can have the blue dress design. While Peggy and Maddie, they were returning to their houses carrying the drawing, Peggy said everything was normal with Wanda Petronsky. She liked them. And Maddie agreed her opinion. Still, Maddie was a little sad because she could not see that little girl, tight-lipped Polish girl once again, and she could not rectify her mistakes. So she was sad. Now let's continue the lesson. She went home and she pinned her drawing over the torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the color. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. Yes, she means Maddie, went to home and she pinned her drawing over the torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper. Okay, she placed that drawing over the torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive from brilliancy of color because of that painting and its bright color. The room became alive. It became more attractive. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. She recalled when other girls were teasing Wanda Petronsky. She had stood by and said nothing. But Wanda had been nice to her anyway. But Wanda had been nice to her. Wanda did not hate her. She liked her. Tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Then, hastily, she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. Tears blurred her eyes. She could not see things clearly because her eyes were filled with tears. She gazed for a long time at the picture. She gazed means see something continuously or look something constantly. Okay. She gazed for a long time at the picture. Then hastily, quickly, she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. She rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. She watched or observed that picture intently, carefully. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. The colors were so vivid. Vivid means bright or colorful. The colors in the dress were very bright that she had scarcely noticed face and head of the drawing. She scarcely means probably not. Okay, probably not noticed face and head of the drawing. Okay, only dress design was not there. Along with that, a girl picture was there. So she did not observe the face of that girl. Okay, but she looked like her. Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. When she was observing that picture, face, she came to know that that face was similar to her face. And she came to know that the mouth which is there in that picture, that is similar to her mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? She thought for a moment. Why it really looked like her own self? Wanda had really drawn this for her. Then she came to know that Wanda had really drawn that picture for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. Then with excitement, she ran to Peggy's house. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Then Peggy asked, what is the matter? While they were clattered up, clattered means ran up, okay, or moving up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. While they were moving towards Peggy's bedroom, she asked, what's the matter? Okay. In the bedroom, Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. Then she carefully raised that drawing. Look, she drew you. That's you, she exclaimed. And the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. And she showed Peggy, Maddie showed Peggy, see here, it is your face. She had drawn your head and face. It really looks like you. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. Yeah, what can I say at this moment? Probably that girl, she really liked us. That's why she had drawn our picture. She said like that. Yes, she must have agreed. Maddie agreed her opinion, and she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the school yard. When Maddie was blinking her eyes, blinking means open and close the eyes. Tears were coming out of her eyes whenever she used to think about Wanda Petronsky. She used to get tears whenever she used to think Wanda Petronsky standing alone in sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over the group laughing girls. After she walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up. She recalled everything about Wanda Petronsky, how other girls used to tease her, then how she used to give a reply to other girls by saying, sure, 100 of them all lined up. And after telling, while she was moving, other girls used to laugh. All those things, all those images came in front of the eyes of Maddie. And thinking about all those things, tears came out of her eyes. Okay. With this, we have completed this lesson. Thank you for watching video.